Good morning, student. Today is May 7, 2020, and this is Thursday. Thursday is our regular meeting class in this course. So even right now, before March 22nd, we have very hard time for COVID-19, but I keep going on to do remote education with you, and I hope that you should follow my instruction guideline. Everything I announce, I email you, or I post, I publish is on Canvas files or on Happylife-truelife YouTube. Try to open that and follow my instruction to do for this week and next week, and everything is done after next week's final. So one more time, this is the review week, so we too working on remote study, and I hope that you follow this instruction to follow for this week. First of all, like I repeat many times about Cerritos Care, about help desk, Cerritos College EDU, I need you to remember that the reason I repeat many times because few students, they still hard to log in email. So that's the reason I repeat many times for you. So basically, with me also, every time when I want to log in my email like the regular I did before, very easy, but right now, every time when I want to log in to check email, I have one time passcode, and they email me for in the cell phone. They text for me in the cell phone, that's number, and I put that number in, and just one time for log in my email only. So that's the reason it take, I think this one the hard problem for students to do like me. That's the reason many students, when they contact with me, they said that they email me many times, but I really did not get any email from you. I don't know why, but that's the reason. So now I suggest you to use Canvas. You open the Canvas system from the school, you open the inbox, and I check the email from you there. I got all of the email from student, all of the PowerPoint, include the clip, video clip they send for me, and that way it's go through. So that the one I recommend you to try to use that's Canvas email and email for me. If you have any question, email me first and I can help you how to do that. If you have any question about the course Architecture 110, email me one more time in Canvas is the best way to contact with me, or you open YouTube, Happylife-truelife.YouTube, and H capital. So when I get the message, I try to contact with you soon. Basically, right now, I contact with you many different ways. Besides of email, regular, I email on Canvas and inbox. I email you for my personal email, another school. And also, I contact with you by my cell phone. Text for you, call for you many times. I keep going on like that. But right now, I have like 2 students. I contact one time only, and after that, gone. And the second one, I never contact with her. I don't know what reason, but actually, I'm sorry, because that's the best I can do. So on this final week, I have minor thing for you. Need to remember, this is something it can help you for rating. It's not effect on your GPA. And if you very low, fail in the class or D in the class, I decide to give you EW. E, that means excuse withdrawal. This one not effect on your rating. Pass and non-pass, it depends on you. You can fill out the form COVID-19 pass and non-pass or EW request form before you give the final decision to do this one. Okay, so I suggest that before you fill out the form, you need to contact with your counselor for make sure that everything okay with you. Some people need transfer, some people need the financial for next semester, something like that. I don't know. So this means the program is not effect on your rate, but maybe effect on your financial. So that's why you need to ask for counselor for more detail about that before you fill out. Okay, so this week one more time in the review week. So if you miss any reading reviews, and where is reading reviews, it's on the chapter, and you check on the schedule, you see that every Tuesday and Thursday we have the new chapter, something like that, and you open that chapter, I have the review question in there, It's usually in beginning from the chapter or the end of the chapter or both. So that's why you check on each chapter and you need to answer the review question. Email back to me. You get the credit for that. One of them you get 10 points plus 10 points for remote study. So basically we have 12 total for reading review. That means 12 chapter. I need you to do everything plus the presentation. If some people not present in the class before COVID-19, you can do right now. Presentation value 190 points and total 12 total review you get 120 points plus each time when you email me on Tuesday and Thursday you got 10 points for remote attendance. So basically this is on credits I can give you for this hard time. Now we start from remote education from March 22nd. After that on Tuesday, Thursday I keep going on to have student get the credit from I call that remote attendant. You just email me and say, okay, hello Professor Van, hello Ho Van, hello Miss Van, something like that on that day, and you get 10 points for remote attendant. If you have reading review, you email me that day, you get 10 points more for that review. So basically we keep going on like that until final on May 14. One more time, final will be May 14 and it's on 4:30 p.m. If you open Happylife-truelife YouTube, you can see half of the final I post is on for you already. So you can ready right now for half of the final, and until that day, May 14, I upload, I post, I publish on of the rest from the final. So that's why right now you can start to do half from the final and continue on the final on May 14 at 4:30. I post the rest of them for you. That means the final you need to finish until 6 p.m. for that day. Okay, so basically final is will cover quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3. I covered 75% from the old quiz, and after that I covered 25% after quiz 3 until final. So basically if you have on of quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 ready, you can bring it out and you read or you review that before the final days. It's help you to do final faster on the final day. Okay, that's everything I need to share with you. And if some student they finish on of the reading already, they do the short video clip to email me. I post on of them on Happylife-truelife already. The topic is, you you can do everything you want to share with me and your classmates about how you study for this course, what you learn from that, and or you can do something like you interesting with, for example, cooking, traveling, history, architecture, activity, working, something like that. Just share in a few minutes on video clip and email me on Happylife-truelife. Thank you so much for a few of you ready that and email me the video clip. If you have finished everything and if you do very good, I just wish that you and your family stay safe. Enjoy your summer after final, of course, and see you in parking lot sometime, maybe next semester, right? Okay, that's it for today review. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.